Hello dear kids, how are you all? I hope you all are well. So today we will learn about the remaining topic of your chapter, that is tables in MS Word. So earlier I have told you also, today I will again explain how can you open MS Word. First you have to go to the start button, and then you have to click on Microsoft Office. In the Microsoft Office you will get option Microsoft Word. So when you will open Microsoft Word, you will get access. So click on the insert option. When you will click on insert option at the bottom from the ribbon tab, so insert menu will help you to insert a table in your MS Word. So when you will insert your table in MS Word, so you will get different options in MS Word. What are the options will be there? You want to insert table, you can format the table, you can insert content in your table also. Content means children, like when you are getting your timetable, that is also in Microsoft Word in the form of rows and columns. And basically table is an intersection of rows and columns where data is to be filled. So you have to insert table, and inserting a table, there are the different ways. When you are clicking on insert table option, there is a direct way that you can insert a table, and some another way also, like you can write down directly the number of rows and columns required. So let's watch this video and clear your concepts. Children, I am Rajab. Today we will learn how to create a table in your MS Word. So the screen you are looking on your window, that is MS Word. If you want to insert table in MS Word, so you can see at the top there is a ribbon tab where there are different types of file menu, like file, home, insert, page layout, references, mailing, review and view. So this main area, this is known as your ribbon, where the number of tools are arranged for the working in Microsoft Word. So this type of screen you are looking, that is a very important part of your Microsoft Word window. So you will work on it. You can create a table also. In the same way, if you want to create a table in Microsoft Word, there are different types of advantages that you can work with Microsoft Word. You can create your document, you can create your timetable, and you can create your own data in Microsoft Word. And also a table creation, that is create a table, you can edit the table, and you can insert rows and columns in your table. That is the main working of your Microsoft Word. You can create your document and table creation in Microsoft Word. So if you want to create a table, you have to go to the insert option. Insert option, there will be a table option. You have to click on table option, and you have to select the number of rows and columns that you want to insert in your table. These are the columns and these are the rows. So according to your requirement, you can select the number of columns and number of rows in your table. So you can observe here your table has inserted already. So in the same way, another way, you want to create on table, and you have to click on insert table option. When you will click on insert table option, a dialog box will appear. This small box is called dialog box. Here you can insert the number of columns, like I am giving 4, number of rows, like 3 I am giving. So in this way there are 3 options of auto fit, like in fixed column width, auto fit to content, auto fit to window. So let's select the first one, fixed column width, then click on OK. So you can observe here the same way you have created a table that earlier. So again you have to click on insert tab. Now select the number of columns 4, number of rows 3, and select the auto fit to window option. When you will click on OK, so you can observe here there is another table that is the same as previous one. Again you have to click on table option, click on insert table option. Now number of rows, columns you have to insert. After that you have to select auto fit to content, and then you have to click on OK option. The main advantage of auto fit content, that the content will be fit automatically in your table. You can observe here, like when you are writing a small size of table appear, when you are writing a content, the size of table will increase automatically according to the content of your table. So this is a good advantage. Your table content can be automatically fit on your table. This is also known as feature of your Microsoft table, that your content will be adjusted according to the length of your word and data. So in this way we can insert all data like name, address, city, and the purpose of this database MS Word table is to write the content in particular format. So in this way you can see here we have inserted the data in a table. Again go to the insert option, go to the table option. Now draw table option. Draw table option is another feature that you can draw freehand table, like you have to select a table box according to your requirement. Now you can, with the help of shift key, you can enter and make a different rows in your table. Now click a straight line for making a columns in your table. So you can observe here the quick table option, and you can draw according to your requirement of your data. You can fill the data in your table. In the partition is also according to the content of your table. So I hope children this option will suitable. We have learned about how to create table in your MS Word. Same with children, if you want to insert number of rows and columns in your table, and you can insert. Children, you can observe here there is a formula bar, there is a ribbon, and there is a various tools in the layout tab. So if you are coming on layout tab, you can change the layout of your table, that appearance of your table that can be adjusted according to the option.